Cookie Caramel here. Welcome to the video. Today, I'm doing another vlog. It's actually raining. I can't even believe it. I'm starting my parents' room because my parents are in every other room and I kind of don't want to vlog with them in the room. But yeah, they're like in every other room and it's raining. Outside is wet. Let me show you. Hello, Mom. Oh my gosh, it's so peaceful. It's raining. You guys can't even see how hard it's raining. Hold on, let me get a back porch view. Hello, doggy. Oh my gosh. It's raining.
Is that Vlogmas?
What? Yeah. It's day 6.
Every day in December?
Mm-hmm.
A lot of work.
I know, and the editing is even worse. That looks so satisfying. Oh my gosh, guys, it's raining even harder. It hasn't rained in so long. Look at the chubsters. Hello. Let's get you a backdrop. A rainy day backdrop. Caramel. Hello. So cute. You're so cute. Okay, so I was scrolling through this account. It's a little girl, and she decided to just sped up sing cover of herself singing. You and her under the Christmas tree. Oh boy, I just wish it could be you and me on a single Pringle this Christmas. A single Pringle this Christmas, baby. And everybody in the comments is like, oh my gosh, this is so bad. I'm gonna put it's so cute because it is cute. It's a little girl singing. I mean, come on, you can't be mean. Everybody go check out that account even. Here, I'll take a snapshot and put it up on the screen. A sped up mashup girl. Everybody go follow that on Musical.ly. She's so cute. Okay, it's cute. I mean, come on, you have to admit that's cute. Next clip. Okay, when I said next clip, I meant last clip because this is the last clip. I'm recording this off my laptop right now, so the audio might be a little bit worse, so I might have to like edit the volume a little bit. But yeah, another short vlog because there's nothing really going on. If there is anything going on, then I'll put it in, but yeah, for now, thank you all for watching. See you later. Bye!